Hi, I'm Diane at Williams Toyota Lift. Let's do a walk around of this brand new 2022 Tora-Max Compact Electric Walkie Pallet Jack, model number 2TWB33. This has a base capacity of 3,300 pounds. Each fork measures 6.3 inches wide by 45.3 inches in length, with an overall width of 27 inches. Now, one nice feature of this is that it has what are called entry or exit rollers, which make it much easier to get on and off of a pallet, especially one that's lightly loaded or empty. We have heavy-duty polyurethane wheels, and the overall lowered height is 3.15 inches, while the overall raised height is 7.6 inches. Now let's talk about this battery. This is a 24-volt lithium-ion cartridge-style battery. It's called cartridge-style because you simply pull that switch, pull this battery right out of here. That allows you to either charge it out of the unit or in the unit, and if you need to pull that out to charge it, put a new fully charged unit in here. That's a great way to keep moving without having to stop to recharge. It has your emergency disconnect switch there. And looking at our handle here, we have, of course, our down and our up buttons, our horn or alert button right there, our emergency belly stop, and our toggle switches for moving the unit forwards and backwards. Now, coming around to the other side, you'll see that we also have turtle mode, which allows you to go a little bit slower while you're moving the unit. We have this keypad for pin access, and let me show you this LCD display that shows you the charge of your battery, as well as you can see there that I'm in turtle mode and how many hours you have on the unit. Now, as I mentioned, this is a compact electric walkie pallet jack, and one of the things that makes it compact is the fact that you can move this unit with your handle fully upright. You don't see that on many electric walkie pallet jacks. Now, to engage that, you simply press and hold the turtle button, move your toggle twice, and I can now move the unit with these ergonomically positioned handles in a fully upright position. This makes it great for getting on and off of trailers, or if you're in a crowded area where you don't have as much room to move. Now, if you have any questions or you'd like to demo this pallet jack, or you're just ready to buy, give our sales team a call at 1-800-435-2449, or visit us on the web at williamstoyotalift.com, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date on equipment that we have available, as well as other features that you need to know about.